If you have previously installed this app, the backend of the app has been updated. So update the TaskGenius app now.
This is introduction about TaskGenius AI app. This app was entirely developed by myself. If you're a busy person with your work, you might be to miss some tasks. As you're a busy person, this app is very much suitable for you. The UI design of this app has been done in a very simple design. Anyone can understand about the features of this app. As soon as you open this app, you can see all the tasks you have to do today. You can enter the task manually or by typing natural language text to the app. Now I am going to add task manually. Now I am going to add task by typing natural language text. I put download link in the description below. You can download this valuable app through this link.